welcome back to day 21 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I am so glad you're here. My name is Chris O'Neill, and let's get started. So yesterday we got this wonderful, wonderful charm pack that's a Kona cotton solids. I think that maybe today we'll have a pattern. I'm not sure. I did find this online, or at least one like it, for $10, and they do have them on Missouri Star's website, at least one like it, so you might want to get that before they sell out if you're interested in getting one of these. So I'm valuing this, of course, at $10. It's a really great charm pack. Okay, so that brings our grand total to $268 for this entire box, which is $88 over what I paid. You can't beat that. You can't beat that. All right, let's see what today's item is. We did get a pattern. Oh my goodness, okay. Quilt more, worry less is the pattern. And look, it uses those fabrics. I love that. I love that saying too. Oh, and some, oh cool, some fusible letters that say the quilt more, worry less. So these are already cut out. I was looking at this thinking, oh my goodness, how am I gonna have the time to cut all of those letters out and to fuse them down? I don't have to. They're here. I love this item. This is great. I absolutely will make this. I will absolutely show it. Hopefully I get it done. Busy, busy time, but I will get it done. I will do it. I will do it. Okay, so a couple of things I just wanted to talk about. One is people keep asking me about this, which I don't mind. If you see something in the background you want to ask about it, please do. This is a thing, whatever, case holder, and I put my stickers like that I get when I order things on it all over it. I got this at a thrift shop, so I have no idea if they still sell it. Totally Tiffany is the company that's marked on the bottom, so you can check that out. They do have a store on Amazon. They also have a website. I don't know if you can still get this or not. It really is a really great item, but I got it at a yard sale. I tend to do that. Not at a yard sale, I got it at a thrift shop. Sorry. I got this thing that I keep my thread in as I'm using it at a yard sale. Okay, I thrift and yard sale a lot. And then I also got this yellow thing back here at a thrift shop, and that's from the 1970s. I'll put the brand up. You can buy them on eBay. They are a little pricey. I think I paid like $2.99. It was such a steal, and it's a spice rack. So I like to use things like this that I can find relatively inexpensively at yard sales, thrift shops, auctions, etc. So hopefully that helps y'all. I know I always look at the background too of things. Unfortunately, mine's not always neat, but feel free to ask any questions. I'll let you know what I have in the background. All right, so we're gonna take a peek at day 22. All right, so if you don't want to see, you might want to stop watching. All right, so this is kind of heavy. There's something like a little notch here. There's something lumpy over here. I don't know what this is, other than it is heavy. Maybe a plaque of some sort to hang in your sewing room. I don't know what this is, but we will find out together tomorrow. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I hope you take some time to sew even in this busy season. Have a great day. Bye.